In this session, let us see how we can make use of the Chrome browser's built-in developer toolkit to do some tiny performance testing on websites. So here I am on the Chrome browser and I have navigated to the URL ssm.edu.in. From the Chrome browser on the top right under options, you can find more tools, and under more tools, please click on developer tools to get your developer toolkit of the Chrome browser. So this brings up a window with some tabs like elements, console, sources, etc. that we can make use of to do some light performance testing. Now this window is totally dockable and customizable. So we can click on the three dots here and either dock it to the left, bottom or to the right. See, this is to the right and this is docking it to the bottom and this is to the left, so that we have the entire website on the right hand side and the developer toolkit in the left hand side. Alright, so our first tab is Elements tab, which represents our coded elements that make up this website. And we can explore this particular tab and see what the different elements are and probably change the contents of some of the elements and see how it looks like within the current session. Say, let us change the title from SM Institutions to Hello World, and that is getting reflected this way. Alright, so that is the Elements tab. Next, we have the Console tab, which reports the different errors that we may have on this website. So here we have some uncaught syntax errors and a warning message. So that is the Console tab. The Network tab gives us the different response times of the different resources and the elements of the website, apart from the elements status code, the file size, etc. So let us refresh this site, and as we can see the status, the type, initiator, size, the time. So that is the Network tab, which is really very useful. And then we have the Performance tab, which can be used to get the performance report of the entire website, including the load time. So for that, we can record this site and then refresh the page, and once the refreshing is done, we can stop recording, which will give us a neat analysis of the different metrics used for the performance analysis, including the load time, which is in the range between 2.95 seconds to 5.72 seconds. Alright guys, so that was an introduction to using the built-in developer toolkit of the Chrome web browser. Thank you.